Hello, everyone. Wanted to share this with you. This is Google Photos. For those of you who do not already have this or have used it at all, it's awesome. It stores all your photos and videos. It can take your old photos and videos from a computer that you have, and it will store all of them for you by date. It'll also do it by places and by people, all those things. So, one thing here, this is called the assistant. And what the assistant will do is, especially when it's on your phone, it will ask you and it'll say, hey, we would like to upload new photos. It will show you the photos it's going to upload. They're usually the newest ones that you haven't uploaded yet. And then it'll store them. It'll store some things by date. It'll make albums for you. It'll make collages for you. What it will also do is you can then search your photos right here and just search for them, and it will go chronological order. So in this way, it went from today and yesterday until I believe it goes, all the way to 1970 here. You can also search for it just by typing in Corolla or Corolla. And then sure enough, from those dates, it will show you when people have been to Corolla or things like of that nature. You can also search for it here by people. So if you click on people, then you can search. It'll actually literally search for by faces. And then you can go by videos and so on. So if you're interested, it is a great way to store items, especially on iPads. If you have photos and videos on there, it's a great way to store them for absolutely free. There is no cost with Google Photos. So should you have any questions, please email me, give me a call. I'd be glad to show you what it can do. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.